Hey everybody, Henry here with Atlanta Apollo Screen and Shade. I want to introduce you to what I think is the future of backyard living right here in Georgia, the Atlas Louvered Patio System. This is a dual-layer aluminum louver system that was honestly built for the way we live down here in the South. We're talking single spans over 20 feet with louvers up to 15 feet wide. So you get this massive covered space without a bunch of posts cluttering up your view. And here's what really sets the Atlas apart. It comes with two separate lighting systems built right in. So whether you want that soft ambient glow for a quiet evening outside, or you need to light the whole patio up for a party, you've got both options right at your fingertips. Now think about what that means for your backyard. College football on a Saturday afternoon, and you don't have to worry about the sun washing out the TV. A summer cookout with the whole family where a pop-up thunderstorm doesn't send everybody running inside. You just close those louvers and keep on grilling. Sunday supper, birthday parties, just a Tuesday night where you want to sit outside with a cold drink and enjoy the evening. This system lets you do all of it, rain or shine, year-round. I'd love for you to come see it in person. Stop by our Marietta showroom and let me walk you through everything the Atlas can do for your home. We'll get you set up with the outdoor living space you've been dreaming about.